So guys, welcome back to our channel once again. Today on our biology exam revision series, you will learn about the DNA. So ensure to stay till the end of this video, as this is an important topic in your biology. Also, at the end of this lesson, you will get a free biology exam practice question to test your knowledge. So DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. It's the chemical that all the genetic material in the cells is made up of. So it contains coded information, basically all the instructions to put an organism together and make it work. So it's what's in your DNA that determines what inherited characters you have. So DNA is found in the nucleus of animal and plant cells in a really long structure called chromosomes. So chromosomes normally come in pairs. The DNA is a polymer. It's made up of two strands called together in the shape of a double helix. So here is the structure of the DNA over here. So you can see from the nucleus, you have the chromosomes, and then within the chromosomes, you have your DNA. Alright, so a gene is a small section of DNA found in a chromosome. Each gene codes for a particular sequence of amino acids, which are put together to make a specific protein. Only 20 amino acids are used, but they make up thousands of different proteins. So genes simply tell cells in what order to put the amino acids together. DNA also determines the proteins that the cells produce. For example, hemoglobin, keratin, and so on. So that in turn determines what type of cell it is. For example, the red blood cells, the skin cells, and so on. So every organism has a genome, and the genome is just the fancy term for the entire set of genetic material in an organism. Scientists have worked out the complete human genome, and understanding the human genome is a really important tool for science and medicine for many reasons, such as it allows scientists to identify genes in the genome that are linked to different types of diseases. Also, knowing which genes are linked to inherited diseases could help us to understand them better and could help us to develop effective treatments for them. Also, scientists can look at genomes to trace the migration of certain populations of people around the world. All modern humans descended from common ancestors who lived in Africa. But humans can now be found all over the planet. The human genome is mostly identical in all individuals. But as different populations of people migrated away from Africa, they gradually developed tiny differences in their genomes. By investigating these differences, scientists can work out when new populations split up in a different direction and what routes they take. So guys, here is a free practice question for you to test your knowledge on this lesson. Feel free to pause this video and try it out. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you are new to this channel, please ensure to join our Telegram channel using the link in the description of this video below to get instant updates and notifications for your exams. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends if this video was helpful. Also ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.